you tired of using the same strategies with crypto? Well, if you are, you better watch this video because I've tried some new strategies and they work. Welcome back to the channel. My name's George. I just want to let you know that I am super excited today because I've switched up my strategies and they are actually working. Okay, but before we get into a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I do it so we can hang out, give you my education, give you my strategies, and hopefully help you make some money. Let's get straight in. Okay, guys, first what I've been using is GMX. Okay, now this is a decentralized perpetual exchange. What this does, it allows you to trade the blue chip cryptos, but I actually have not been using this site for that. What I've been doing is actually staking the platform's liquidity token. It's GLP, all right? And it occurs over 70% of the generated fees on this platform. So the first thing it does, it actually pays ETH or AVAX, all right? Depending which one that you are actually on, it's gonna pay that to you. The second thing, guys, it actually gets you escrow GMX. So you can actually stake that GMX, okay? And eventually the escrow will turn into GMX after a year, or you can just take the rewards as they come. So there's more than one way of doing this. As you can see, GMX is actually an index for all the different tokens that are against on the decentralized perpetual platform. The next strategy, guys, is actually yielding, okay? Yielding the farming on BNB via the ETS. Now, overnight, I've actually got this going on, all right? It launches the ETS on the BNB chain, and it's working very well. It's where you put your crypto to work, generate additional crypto, right? Involves you interacting with the magical realm, smart contracts, things like that. All you do is implemented losses or which liquidity providers have they not provided liquidity and simply held the tokens in their wallet. Therefore, the liquidity providers in a dilemma to provide liquidity and not provide liquidity. That's what's going on, right? They've actually got Binance Smart Chain going on this now. Super excited, right? This is a task that everybody has started doing because it is making people good money all around the world. Again, please remember the disclaimer. But I've been using it and it's been working pretty well. All right, you can actually have a look at the calculator here and how it actually works. What I want you to do is get on here again, the links will be down below, and have a look for yourself. Okay, guys, next is Axia. All right, it's a hyper-deflationary blockchain network. And it's an inclusive, decentralized, it's scalable, fast and interoperable with innovative economics, and it can actually benefit people all around the world. Basically, what they're trying to be is they blockchain bank, okay? They've got cars, they've got staking, they've got everything that you need or you think you can make money with, all right? Interoperable, it's scalable, it's user-friendly, validators, nominators, supported, everything like that, okay? It's got everything you need to make this core bank work. And you can stake here, you can yield here, you can make money on holding here, okay? You can put your money into this bank and make your interest on there. Okay, it's super easy. They've got their coin burning, hyperinflation, the stable gas prices, securing privacy, all right? Everything about this works. I've been using this for a long time and it's working for me. It doesn't mean it's gonna work for you, but if you do it right and you only invest what you can afford to lose, this works. Next, guys, is actually going on Binance and trading USD Plus, okay? I actually really like this because you're getting more for your investment than you were doing just for your normal USD, all right? There's loads of different ways you can trade on Binance. One of my best strategies is coming on here and having a look for what is actually popping off in their exchange, okay? Every time you come on, there's different markers. If you don't know how to trade, please go and learn that. I'm not telling you this is a strategy you need to learn, but you do need to have a basic understanding of charts if you want to get involved with trading on Binance, okay? That's the next strategy. Last but not least, guys, it's the KuCoin trading bot, okay? There's different ways to do it. The grid bot is the one I prefer, all right? All you gotta do is create that bot. You're gonna get about 28,993% APR, okay? That's the highest of today. There's over 1 million bots. Log in, sign in with your code, and this is what it's going to come up, all right? This bot is incredible. It's making people some serious money. And as you can see between that and all the other bots, this is the highest yield you can get, okay? 28,000. It's incredible, and you do not have to do much investing. Okay, you can go as little as you like, as much as you like, and the bot will actually take over for you. It's all for the shorts, so you're actually trading shorts, not like the spot trading that we're going to do, all right? But click on here, have a look, do your own research. This is probably my favorite bot to use on all line, okay? Probably my favorite. There you go, guys. Let me know in the comments if any of these strategies work for you. If you like the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like if you like this video. Hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you on the next video.